Welcome to Rev Limit. My name is Devu. Today I'm back with the 2018 edition Mercedes Benz GLC, a car that is based upon the Mercedes Benz C-Class but continues the SUV segment in their lineup and is a rival to the BMW X3 and Audi Q5. So I'll be doing a short review, exterior, interior and a short drive after, so stay tuned. Let's first start with the engine bay. Mercedes-Benz is offering 14 engine variants for the new GLC model. If you'd like to compare all the engine types, just pause the video now. It comes with 5 diesel, 3 petrol and 6 hybrid variants. This particular model is a 250 4MATIC. It's a 2.1 litre turbocharged inline-4 petrol engine mated to 9 G-tronic automatic transmission and all-wheel drive by Mercedes called 4MATIC. It produces 211 HP with 350 Nm torque and claims to return over 40 miles per gallon. Coming to the headlight unit, the Mercedes has intelligent automatic headlight system with LED daytime running lights. Here you have the tow hook and front parking sensors are given. Comes with AMG body styling bumpers. Comes with AMG alloy wheels in titanium grey, 235/55R 19-inch. Roof rails and door frames are finished in brushed aluminum trims and has rear privacy glass. Coming around to the back, you get a full LED tail lights, has integrated rear spoiler and twin chrome exhaust tips, and equipped with the reversing sensor plus camera. All models come with electrically powered tailgate. Once open, boot space is really practical, offering 550-litre capacity. Also, with a flick of a button, you can fold down the rear seats. Mercedes have given some cool features. Cars come with lockable false floor. Also, parcel shelf, when not in use, can be stored under the false floor. The car comes with 66-litre fuel tank. Now let's check out the rear seat practicality. I'll just put the chairs back. Back here I have plenty of space. I have loads of knee room plus headroom. Even with the glass panoramic roof fitted. If I pull down the center armrest, you get additional storage space plus a pop-out cup holders. Comes with 3-color ambient lighting. Now let's check out the driver's seat. You get a commanding driving position. The seats are nice and comfortable. The dashboard is lifted straight from the C-Class and is loaded with cool features. The car, being the AMG LINE PREMIUM variant, gets front heated seats and fully electric seats with 3 memory settings, meaning it's easy to find a good seating position because you can control every part of the seat electrically, even the headrest. Under thigh support also comes with 4-way lumbar support for both driver and the co-passenger seat, plus electrically adjustable steering column. All cars have automatic 2-zone climate control, reversing camera. This high-resolution 7-inch multimedia color display with Garmin Map Pilot navigation system. This car has 4 driving modes to choose from: Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus. The armrest reveals a couple of charging ports and an SD card slot, and it's quite a large compartment. Let's check out the glove box. It's a decent size, and also it can be locked using the car key. Let's go for a POV drive.